Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Hey, I'm looking at these two Nexgrill grills, the Fortress 2-burner B0CXJMJ9FF and the Deluxe 6-burner B0BWPC5P2M. Big difference in price, huh? $179 versus $699.
Yeah, huge difference. What are you planning to use it for? That'll really drive which one makes sense.
Mostly just grilling for me and my partner, maybe a few friends sometimes. Space is also a bit of a constraint.
Okay, so the Fortress is definitely the more portable option. It's a tabletop grill, only about 27 inches deep, and weighs around 29 pounds. The Deluxe is a full-sized grill, almost 5 feet wide, and weighs over 120 pounds.
Wow, that's a big difference in size. So the Fortress is better for smaller spaces, got it. What about cooking power?
The Fortress has 13,500 BTUs across its 2 burners, while the Deluxe boasts 60,000 BTUs from 6 burners, plus a searing side burner with another 15,000 BTUs. So way more heat output with the Deluxe.
A searing side burner sounds nice, but is it necessary?
Depends on your grilling style. If you like getting that perfect crust on steaks, it's a game changer. Also, the Deluxe has a rotisserie kit included, which is cool for cooking whole chickens or roasts.
Rotisserie is tempting, but I'm not sure I'd use it that often. What about cooking space?
The Fortress has a cooking area of 263 square inches, enough for a small group. The Deluxe, on the other hand, offers a massive 770 square inches, plus a warming rack. You could cook for a whole party on that thing.
Okay, so Deluxe is for large gatherings. What about the grates themselves?
The Fortress has cast iron cooking grids, which are great for heat retention. The Deluxe has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are non-stick and easier to clean.
Easy to clean is always a plus. Anything else that stands out?
The Deluxe has a stainless steel control panel and LED lit knobs, which looks pretty fancy. Plus it has a cabinet for storing your grilling tools. The Fortress is more basic, but it does have easy lift handles for portability and converts to a griddle.
Okay, I think I'm leaning towards the Fortress. It sounds like the better fit for my needs and space. Plus, the price is way more appealing. Thanks for the help. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.